Lesson 14, the balance sheet. How can we tell if a company is financially healthy? In this video, I'll explain how the balance sheet helps answer that question. In this lesson, we'll introduce the balance sheet and discuss how the balance sheet provides critical information to lenders, investors, and managers. Hello everyone, I'm Professor Matt. So what is the balance sheet? It is one of the three major financial statements, along with the income statement and the cash flow statement. The balance sheet is a snapshot of a company's financial position at the end of an accounting period. It answers three key questions. What does the company own? What does the company owe? And what is left for owners? Let's look at that first question. What does the company own? These are the assets. Assets are resources that the company controls that are expected to provide a future economic benefit. They are presented in order of liquidity, which refers to how quickly an asset can be converted into cash. Assets are separated into current assets expected to be realized within a year and non-current assets. The second question is, what does the company owe? This refers to the company's liabilities. Liabilities are obligations for either future payment or future performance. Liabilities are presented in accordance with their expected settlement. As with assets, liabilities are separated into current liabilities settled within a year and non-current liabilities. The final question is, what is left for the owners? Remember from an earlier lesson we discussed the accounting equation, which states that assets equal the sum of liabilities and equity. This equation holds because assets will equal the claims against those assets. Liabilities are one group of claims while equity is another. So, shareholders' equity is the difference between assets and liabilities. This is called shareholders' equity. It primarily consists of two components: paid-in capital, money that has been directly invested, and retained earnings, the profit that has been kept in the business. And that is the balance sheet. In the next few lessons, we'll take a deeper look into its components. To learn more, visit our website and remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next lesson.